OneDrive is a powerful and popular cloud storage that is offered by Microsoft. But in Microsoft OneDrive, if your files in the local PC does not appear online, you can follow these next steps to know how to troubleshoot the problem. Now to start, navigate to your taskbar and locate the blue or white cloud icon in the notification area. Then, select the blue or white cloud icon, choose Help and Settings, and then click on Settings. On the window that appeared, select Account, and then click on Choose Folders. On the new pop-up window, make sure to place a check mark on the option Sync all files and folders in OneDrive. Now what this will do is it will ensure that all of your files will be available online. Moreover, you can also check if your file is now available online by opening your File Explorer and then open your OneDrive folder. Now to verify it, your files or folder should have a blue cloud icon that indicates that the file is available online and it usually does not take up space on your computer. And that's what you can do when OneDrive files in local PC folder is not appearing online. And that's it for today's video. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell if you would like to see more tutorials like this.